Welcome back to my channel. How to do Me-Too and shipment plan creation for Amazon FBA Wholesale. Me-Too and shipment plan creation are two separate processes when it comes to selling products on Amazon FBA Wholesale. Here are the steps for each process. Me-Too process. The Me-Too process refers to selling the same product as another seller on Amazon. To do this, you will need to follow these steps. Step 1. Find a product to sell. To find a product to sell, start by doing product research. There are many tools available that can help you with this, such as AMZ Scout, Helium 10, and AMZ Scout. These tools allow you to search for products based on various criteria, such as sales volume, price, and competition. Look for products that are in demand and have a high search volume. Step 2. Source the product. Once you have found a product to sell, you will need to source it. You can find a supplier by attending trade shows, searching online directories, or contacting manufacturers directly. Make sure to do your due diligence and check the supplier's reputation and quality of the product. Step 3. Create a listing. To create a listing for your product, follow these steps. Create a seller account on Amazon if you haven't already. Select Add a Product from the Inventory drop-down menu. Search for the product you want to sell and select the correct category. Enter the product details such as title, description, and images. Set the price and quantity of the product. Submit the listing for approval. Step 4. Monitor your listing. Once your listing is live, monitor it closely to ensure that it is selling well. Keep an eye on your competition and adjust your pricing and marketing strategies as needed. Shipment plan creation process. Once you have products to sell, you will need to create a shipment plan to send them to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Here are the steps. Step 1. Create a shipment plan. To create a shipment plan, follow these steps. Go to the Manage Inventory page and select the products you want to send to Amazon. Click on the Send/Replenish Inventory button. Select Create a new shipping plan and enter the shipment details, such as the origin address and the destination fulfillment center. Enter the quantity of each product you are sending. Review the shipment plan and click Approve Shipment. Step 2. Prepare your products. Before shipping your products to Amazon, you will need to prepare them. This includes labeling and packaging the products according to Amazon's requirements. Each product must have a unique Amazon barcode label, and they must be packaged securely to prevent damage during transportation. Step 3. Send your products. Once your products are prepared, it's time to send them to Amazon's fulfillment center. You can either use Amazon's discounted shipping rates or your own carrier. Make sure to upload the shipment tracking information to Amazon so that you can track the shipment and ensure it arrives at the fulfillment center. In summary, to do Me-Too on Amazon FBA Wholesale, you need to find a product to sell, source it from a supplier, create a listing, and monitor your listing. To create a shipment plan, you need to select the products you want to send to Amazon, create a shipment plan, prepare your products, and send them to Amazon's fulfillment center.